Hi, my name is Amber, Program Manager at the Battle Creek Community Foundation. In this short tutorial, I will review BCCF's grant eligibility requirements and place-based commitment to Greater Battle Creek. First, to be eligible for grant funding from BCCF, your organization must be a federally recognized 501c3 nonprofit organization and have received an IRS determination letter confirming your organization's tax-exempt nonprofit status. Other tax-exempt public entities like churches or units of government like a municipality, public school, or state agency are also eligible. Of note, a nonprofit corporation that has been licensed by the state of Michigan through licensing and regulatory affairs is only eligible with the federally recognized 501c3 IRS tax-exempt designation. Collaborative community groups without a 501c3 status that undertake charitable work that benefits the Greater Battle Creek community may also apply for grant funding by partnering with a fiscal sponsor. The fiscal sponsor must be a registered 501c3 nonprofit with a mission that is aligned with the proposed program. Under this arrangement, the sponsoring organization assumes full financial responsibility, receives the awarded funds, and manages the project's budget in collaboration with the applicant group. All such applications must include documentation of the fiscal sponsorship arrangement. The purpose of the grant must be charitable in nature and in alignment with both BCCF's mission and funding priorities, as well as the mission or purpose of the applying organization. The organization must also have a program that is operating in the Greater Battle Creek area, serving the population of the Greater Battle Creek area, which we define as the cities of Battle Creek and Springfield and the townships of Bedford, Emmett, and Penfield. BCCF's competitive grant-making reflects a place-based commitment to advancing positive outcomes for residents of the Greater Battle Creek area. As mentioned previously, the Greater Battle Creek area includes the cities of Battle Creek and Springfield and the townships of Bedford, Emmett, and Penfield. This approach honors donor intent and recognizes the importance of investing in work that is informed by local relationships, community voice, and lived experience. Our intent is to prioritize community-centered impact. BCCF welcomes applications from local, regional, countywide, or multi-county organizations when the program or initiative for which funding is requested directly benefits residents of the Greater Battle Creek area. Organizations that are seeking to introduce new programs or services in the Greater Battle Creek area, particularly those without prior local engagement, are asked to demonstrate meaningful community connection in the letter of intent. This may include evidence of prior conversations or planning with local partners or stakeholders, documentation such as a Memorandum of Understanding, aka an MOU, letter of partnership intent, or comparable agreement when appropriate, or a description of how local voices or partners informed program design. Organizations that have an existing recognized role serving the Greater Battle Creek area, such as public systems, educational intermediaries, healthcare providers, or long-standing regional partners, are not expected to take on additional documentation requirements. In these cases, applicants are asked to clearly describe in their letter of intent and application how the proposed program or initiative will directly benefit the Greater Battle Creek area residents or institutions, the local communities, schools, or individuals that will be served, and how the work aligns with demonstrated local needs. BCCF does not award grant funding to individuals, to private non-operating foundations, internationally, or to for-profit entities, even with a fiscal sponsor. BCCF has worked diligently to put together a really good resource called their Grantee Partner Resource Guide. We recommend you review it closely before applying for a grant. This guide contains helpful information on the following items: grant eligibility, BCCF funding priorities, grant opportunities, New details on our two-step competitive grant process, along with tips for success with your application and common reasons grants do not receive full funding. It also includes frequently asked questions and a grant eligibility matrix. It includes samples of BCCF's grant award agreement and fiscal sponsorship acknowledgement. We'll show you where you can find the guide on our website on the next slide. The resource guide can be found in the Grant Opportunities section of BCCF's website at www.bccfoundation.org on the Grant Opportunities page under the Applicant Resources tab. The arrow on this slide shows a clickable button where you can download the guide. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our grants team members. Our contact information is listed here and can be found on our website at bccfoundation.org. We hope you have a wonderful day and we look forward to partnering with you soon.